Some people refer to it as the cathedral. Now, it's not officially a cathedral because that's where the bishop is, but it has the look and the feel of a European cathedral, so locals like to think of it that way. For us, it's home. It's our spiritual home. This was originally St. Louis Parish. It was actually January 15th, 1905, that it was dedicated. It had begun about 8 years before that time. Literally, ground was broken the day after the Spanish-American War was officially begun. So there are 18 original stained glass windows here that are very important to us. One family, for example, mortgaged 2/3 of their orange grove to be able to sponsor one of these windows. So to have a touch of the old, even the ancient, has a connection that goes deeper than maybe the more modern structures. So twice a month, we do a historical talk and or tour on the second and the fourth Sunday of the month. Well, I think what's important is that it is living. It's not just a historical something to put in a museum. It's a living place. It lives for us.
As you pointed out, this is, without a doubt, a spectacularly beautiful church. And in many ways, it's unlike many of the Catholic churches in Florida. So it's special just being in a space that is breathtakingly beautiful. But what's also very special to me is that this physical church has been standing here since 1905. And we could only speculate how many people have worshiped here in all of the years that have elapsed since 1905. And I like to imagine that each time somebody comes to worship here, the space is made just a little bit more holy by that person's presence. People have a profound love for this church, and even when they move a little farther outside of our parish boundaries, they still make this their spiritual home.